Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a page and selecting a database, table, or board works. Add core properties right away: date, status, priority, and assigned. Create a template for a task with prefilled status and tags so you save time later. Once done, drag a sample row into your preferred view and test the date picker. Make sure to adjust property types now. That prevents messy conversions later and keeps your tasks consistent as you build. Now design the middle of your system: views and filters. Create today, backlog, and project-specific views and set filters like date within 7 days for today. Sort by priority, then date. Link tasks to a project's database using relation and add roll-ups to show progress or total subtasks. Once linked, create a Kanban view for workflow transitions and a recurring template for repeat tasks. Make sure to test moving a task between statuses so automations and roll-ups update correctly. Finish tasks by updating status to done and checking any completion checkbox. Then archive or move them to your done view to keep the main board clean. Once done, review roll-ups and formulas that reference the task to ensure totals and progress bars reflect completion. If counts or relations don't update, make sure the property types match across databases and that relations are properly linked. Changing a property type can break formulas, so revert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.